Hello, I'm Ep1 and welcome to the first ever episode of Epic Labs, the series where I go over all sorts of helpful tips, tricks, and guides, as well as much more cool stuff in Minecraft Mobile. Today we're going to take a look at a problem that many new players have when they start Minecraft, which is splitting items in your inventory, chests, furnaces, and more. Firstly, press these three buttons in the bottom to access your inventory. As you can see, I've got coal in my hotbar, however it doesn't matter where the item is in your inventory, because the same rules apply. In order to split it, you simply tap on the item in your inventory, hold it down, tap somewhere else, and it should split accordingly. And if you want to assemble all the items back into a stack, you simply double tap on the item, and it will fill that square with a stack of the item, or however many you have in your inventory. And if you truly want to, you can even fill your entire hotbar with that item. Same rules apply for a chest or chests. You simply hold down the item and tap anywhere you want to inside of the space. And the same rules should apply for furnaces, crafting tables, anvils, or whatever sort of item using block you're using. Thanks for watching today's video. If it has helped you, please let me know down below, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing and or liking. Thanks for watching the video.